Hello everyone, I'm Hayley and this is Handcrafted by Hayley. Today I'm going to help you out with how to install fonts onto Cricut Design Space. When I first started cricketing, that was one of my big things. I didn't know how to do it, where to go, even where to start. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that Cricut Design Space is closed down. If you've got it open, then the fonts won't install. There's lots and lots of different sites out there that you can use to go and get fonts. Some you pay for, some you don't. The one I really like is defont.com. There doesn't seem to be anything that you can't find on here. If you know the font name, just type it in there and it will find it. I'm going to download this baby girly script. I think that looks quite a nice one to download. So the first thing you need to do is click on it, click on download. Then we open the file up. And you'll see there's two types of fonts. There's open type font and true type. They are both exactly the same. I tend to open the true type font. So you open it up, you click install. And you'll see it's installing here and it's disappeared, which means it's installed. So you close that one down. You can then open Cricut Design Space back up. Once Cricut Design Space is opened up, you can either open a project you've already saved, or you can just go to the canvas and start a new one. So if you click on text, type anything you want. And then you go and select your font. Now, one of the most important things is don't forget this first one is just Cricut system fonts. If you've downloaded anything, it'll be under the system. So the first one is just Cricut. Everything else, including Cricut, comes under system. So you need to just find the font that you've downloaded, which was the baby girl, and you click on it and it's there. One thing I didn't know either is sometimes this sits over here and you can't see behind it. You can just move that window. I hope that's helped you today. Please subscribe to my channel for more hints and tips, and if there's anything you'd like me to video for you or help you with, please message me. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.